Hi, my name is Ratnadeep Girase and I am representing Neelay Industries, which is situated in Satpur MIDC area. We are in electrical machining component manufacturing. We have started this business in 1995 and right now we have almost 45 plus turning center and 7 numbers of VMC machines. For the as far as the LMW is concerned, past we don't have any machine, but recently last almost 6 months back we have purchased 2 small machines, and it's found as far as the accuracy is concerned, it's very good machines. And then we have also started the adding of new machines. Just a few days back we have booked a turnmill center, and in upcoming years definitely in our portfolio we will add few more machines. As far as the service is concerned, we are satisfied with that.